You can feel safe. We have been caring for you for more than 50 years. From the moment you wake up, without you even knowing about it or seeing us. We are that sense of security you feel when everything is working just fine. We travel with you and guarantee the energy you need for your daily tasks. We look after you on your way back home and safeguard your house. Today we protect what is most important, and we invest in the sustainability of tomorrow. We manufacture protection for your peace of mind and that of your loved ones. We connect countries and cultures and help to deliver cleaner energy to those that need it most. We are people committed to protecting people. We are committed to your safety. We are committed to you. We are KLK.